HP App for PCs, How to Optimize Performance. The HP app is your go-to for managing your HP device and accessories. To find support tools to improve system performance, scroll down to the Troubleshooting and Fixes tile. The Troubleshooting and Fixes support feature provides access to HP troubleshooting tools you can use to diagnose and fix system issues so that your PC performs at its peak. To run system checks to maximize PC performance, click Optimize Performance. The HP Performance Tune-Up Check launches. This diagnostic tool analyzes the system and performs system optimizations. Click Next to open the HP Performance Tune-Up Check user interface. The HP Performance Tune-Up Check provides system information such as the product name and the installed operating system. You can also select any additional tests you want to run in addition to the basic optimization tests. These optional tests allow the system to check for and restore Windows system files, remove unwanted and deleted files, remove web browser history, cookies, and cache, save extra processing, memory, and storage cycles, and free up additional storage space on the PC. Then click Optimize to start the system optimization. HP Performance Tune-Up Check will run the optimization checks and provide the status of tests while they are running. After the tests are run and the system is 100% optimized, a summary of the results will be displayed. You can click the Re-Optimize button to run an additional round of optimization tests, or you can return to the HP app.